This illustration deals with snap switches rated for 347 volts in accordance with NEC 404.14 D as in dog and D3 as in dog. The purpose of the change of revision has been accepted and added that addresses the use and requirements of snap switches rated at 347 volts by adding coverage of electronic ballast, self-ballast lamps, compact lamps, and LED lamps with associated type drivers. Now, this 347 volt type switch snap switch has never been addressed in the code before, but a lot of inspectors would allow its use by 110.3b as in boy, as it came from the manufactured listed for such use, and it was also addressed in the UL electronic white book. So based upon that, this revision was made to include this switch. So notice the toggle switch that you see to the left is a 20 amp or less at 347 volt, 404.14 D3. And then notice the branch circuit and switching is in accordance with 410.14 D3. And then, of course, you're switching fluorescent luminaires. Now, we also, that would include switching of electronic ballast, as you see to the illustration with the person fixing to change out of ballast, or maybe a lamp. And notice the electronic ballast 404.14 D3 allows it. And then self-ballast lamps is also listed there in 404.14 D3. So you can see you have the arrow to the left pointing to the ballast, but you have the self-ballast lamps arrow pointing to the lamps there. And of course, in the three fixtures that you have listed at the bottom, electronic ballast and self-ballast luminaires could be included inside those fixtures for operation, and that's 404.14 D3. And then I would just kind of like to remind you that replacement of automatic control receptacles are covered in 406.4 D as in dog 7, and then the type of switches are covered in 404.14A through 404.14E. So to review our switches, just go review A through E to 404.14, and you can pick up all the items that are listed there that this provision provides for.